Hello traders, this is Rich from TradeSight. This is a look at our proprietary scans for the leading stocks. This is going to be the preview for the coming session, which is going to be Tuesday, June 18th, 2013. Got a few signals on both sides as we go through the list here, but we don't really have anything that's too dominant either way. We've got a couple of sell signals here from the NASDAQ patch. We've got a sell side CPS condition in Baidu. We've got a differential sell in Entertainment Arts. EA's strong day, but it's leaving a pretty good tail up above. It's about 2.75% above the day's open. SanDisk is also having a very strong day, more than 3% above the day's open on a volume bump. And speaking of volume bumps, you also have one in Wynn Resorts and also Netflix. So those will be worth tracking and carrying over into the next session as well. Looking at the financials, a couple of sell signals here. These are a little bit sloppier. We do have a nice candle going on the daily ICE 2.5% above the day's open. The CME's trading very well also. It's kind of a very similar stock. The CME's got an upside CPS condition, so I definitely carry that over for tomorrow's watch list as well. Energies, just a couple of signals here. There is a fair amount of movement, but just a couple of signals. We've got a differential buy signal in Arch. Right now that's 4% below the day's open. And Riggs got a camouflage sell signal, but that one's on very light volume. Looking at the generals, here's where we're starting to get a little bit of a bias. We've got a fair amount of camouflage sell signals here. This Pfizer's got a signal on both sides, but that'll probably work its way out just to a single condition before the close. That one does have a nice volume bump to watch for tomorrow. So we've got camos in Comcast, IBM, McDonald's, and also Walmart. Housing stocks, a little bit of a mixed patch here. NVR might be the one to watch tomorrow if we do a positive tape. That's got an upside CPS condition. And finally, the commodity stocks. Pretty good volume bump here in ACH. You can see more than twice the typical volume. 1% below the open and fair amount below the day's VWAP right now. Also seeing a lot of weakness in US Steel, the letter X. That's got a downside CPS condition, and that's 3.5% below the day's open, so that's going to have a very bearish looking candle on today's chart. Alright folks, tomorrow starts the 2-day Fed meeting, so probably see light volume again tomorrow. So just trade smart and make sure that you see something that's got a good technical setup. As always, thanks for listening. This has been Rich for TradeSight.